Hello my dear friends and students. Dr. Muhammad Parvez here. In the fifth tutorial of this series, you have learned the creation of grid parameter file with extension GPF. Herein, I shall be showing you the creation of docking parameter file with extension DPF step by step. The creation of docking parameter file will be completed in 4 steps. In this step, you will see how to select protein for docking parameter file. Here you will see how to select the ligand for docking parameter file. In step 3, you will set genetic algorithm parameters for docking parameter file. The last step is about the creation of docking parameter file with extension DPF. What is docking parameter file? Several parameters such as ligand center, the number of torsions, binding residues, grid parameters, flexible residues, algorithm, iteration, pose, and result-oriented settings are defined in this file before proceeding for the docking. Docking parameter file is used for docking the protein and the compound that you selected for your research. Some of the parameters commonly adjusted for search exhaustiveness are GA population size, GA number of evals, GA number of generations, and GA runs. GA means genetic algorithm. What is docking log file? TLG. Running the docking will generate docking log file that will contain information on the location of the protein space where the ligand will interact with the receptor. Selecting protein for docking. To select protein for docking, go to docking, macromolecules. Here you have two options: set rigid file name or set flexible residues name. As we are working on the rigid docking, so I am going to click on set rigid file name. Select here the charged molecule receptor PDB-QT and press open. This will select the PDB-QT format of protein for docking. Selecting ligand for docking. Again go to docking menu, scroll down to ligand and click on choose. Here are two molecules. The one is the protein and the second is the ligand. Click on select ligand. Accept all these values by default. The ligand has been selected for docking. Setting genetic algorithm parameters. Again open the docking menu. Down here go to search parameters and click on genetic algorithm. This menu contains the genetic algorithm parameters. You can see here genetic algorithm parameters. The default number of GA runs given here is 10. For best docking result, this number can be increased up to 100. However, for this demo, I shall keep this value for 10. Similarly, the default population size is given here 150. For best docking result, here again the population size value can be increased up to 300. Briefly, for GA runs 50 and more than 50, the population size should be adjusted to 300. For 50 and above GA runs, a population size of 300 will give better results. Down here you can see the default maximum number of evals given is 2.5 million. During the preparation of a ligand, I had told you that keep remembering the number of torsion and your ligand. For best docking result, always adjust this number according to the number of torsions and the ligand. For zero number of torsions, set this number between 25,000 to 2.5 million. For 1 to 10 number of torsions, keep this number between 2.5 million to 25 millions. For more than 10 number of torsions, set the maximum number of evals above 25 millions. Maximum number of generations. You can for this demo, I am keeping the default values for all parameters. And at the end, press accept. Creating the docking parameter files. For creating the docking parameter file, again go to docking, down here output. There are several options for saving this information. I will prefer to use Lamarckian GA 4.2. Give a suitable file name to your docking parameter file here with extension of DPF. I am going to save this docking parameter file with the name of DP. Extension of DPF. Press save. There are no rules and you can give it any name that is convenient for you. Go and check the working folder for new file with DPF extension. The working folder is here. You can see this is the file DP with DPF extension. This file is DPF. In the coming tutorial, I shall be explaining how to run AutoGrid and AutoDock. You can jump to these videos by clicking on the link given in the description. The title of the video is Thanks for watching, and bye till my next video tutorial.